Hey guys, welcome. Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Hit a motherfucker with a stiff on, ooh. Fucking with a nigga like me won't do. Left, right, left, right, left, right, ayy. Stop trying to get on my shit like.
And what is up? That's all I want to say. I know some of you guys are like, wait, hold up. Did this girl literally just start her intro like she hasn't been gone for a week? Please. So sorry. I know I'm supposed to be posting every Tuesday and Thursday, but as you can see, that's not happening at all. School is hard. It's very hard. So yeah, when I started my channel, I was like, it was a day after my first day of school, and I thought it was gonna be so easy. My first day of school was a half day, so yeah, I thought it was gonna be so easy because it was so easy that day. So I thought, yeah, I have homework for every class, and I'm probably not gonna get done. Probably, yeah. So basically, I'm just gonna be trying to post once a week now. Hopefully, you guys just like the videos that I post every once a week. I'm gonna try to make them fun so you don't get bored because I'm not gonna make no promises because I might get my phone taken 1 week or something if something comes up. So basically, I'm gonna try to post whenever I can. So yeah, basically, put that aside because that was boring, very boring. I know, right? But today I will be doing something different. Basically, for this video, I will be impersonating YouTubers. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna be impersonating some YouTubers that I have loved. As you can see, I have YouTube on my TV right now because I just love YouTube. And I've been watching a lot of YouTubers, so basically there's gonna be like 10 views in this thing. The video might be super long, but it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
And yeah, I did change my name. And yeah, let's get into the video. Hey, I got my coffee. And this girl, she was staring at me while I was making my coffee, and I'm like, rude, but I still got it. So hi sisters, I'm James Charles and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a tutorial with the Morphe brushes. Use code James to get 10% off. Today we'll be using my beauty blender, as you can see, my beauty blender, and we will be blending out my foundation. Today's foundation will be using the CoverGirl plus Olay. So this is the 165. I'll be using that. So after we have our foundation on, we will be going in with the Morphe M3C brush, and we will be using this color out of the Avon True palette. Let's just swap it. So just swap for a real one. Ooh, she's pigmented. Ooh, okay. I can work with this. Bye, sisters. Hey guys, welcome to Freak back to my channel where I do whatever the freak I want. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a ratchet Q&A. So yeah. Question 1. How do I find a loyal man? To be honest, you can't. You can't. There's no freaking way you can. But I'm going to just say if you want to, maybe just find somebody with the traits that you have. So you won't be completely different and he won't get tired of you. So yeah. Question 2. Where do you get your nails done? Girl, my girl Sally be doing my nails. Yes. So yeah. Yes. Alright guys, so I'm done with this video. If you like to give it a thumbs up, I don't give a freak. Okay, so hi, welcome to my channel. how are you? For today's video, we'll be using the Sephora palette. I will be doing a maroon eye look with these colors. So yeah, let's just swap. I don't know if you can see that, but I hate, it's disgusting. I need this off my finger. I'm going to gouge my eyes out by now. I'm going to be finishing off with the Kylie Jenner lip gloss Red Violet. So basically, yeah. Hopefully that will make this a better look. Why is it so pink? I truly hate this look. I'm literally just done. If you guys like this look, give it a thumbs up. Now, thanks for watching. I truly hate, yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be filming a get ready with me slash a day in my life. So yeah. So I've already got my outfit on. I'm sitting in front of my mirror right now. I'm about to do my makeup and then I'll show you guys my outfit in a sec. So basically, right now I'm sitting in front of my mirror. I just got done doing my makeup and I just got done doing my hair, which I didn't really do anything with. I just slicked it down a little bit to make it a little better so I can wear it down. But yeah, now I'm going to show you my outfit. This is the outfit. I got this tube top from Paxson, these jeans from Journey, and these shoes from Forever 21. They're Nike slides, but I got them from Forever 21. So yeah, hope you guys like. I'm truly in love with this look. Hope you guys like it. I'm truly in love with how it all went together. So yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Um, I really didn't even know what to do for this video. It was so hard. Like half of these people I probably got very wrong, but I just know like watching their videos a lot. Like I know like their intros and know like what they do in the video. So yeah. So basically, please like and subscribe. Like this video took forever to film. It's probably gonna take forever to edit. So just like, subscribe, and love you guys to death. And yeah, bye. This is just for fun and a joke.